What is he doing? He is painting the something. What is he doing? He is pushing the car. What is he doing? He is pulling rope. What is he doing? He is watching TV. What is he doing? He is talking on the phone. What is he doing? He is running. What is he doing? He is playing football. What is he doing? He is swimming in the water. What is he doing? He is drinking water. What is he doing? He is climbing the mountain. What is he doing? He is building house. What is he doing? He is digging a hole. What is he doing? He is frying flatbread. What is he doing? He is cutting watermelon. What is he doing? He is eating watermelon. What is he doing? He is planting trees. What is he doing? He is knocking on the door. What is she doing? She is cleaning the room. What is she doing? She is cooking food. What is she doing? She is selling vegetables. What is she doing? She is giving water her child. What is she doing? She is getting on the bus. What is she doing? She is getting off the bus. What is she doing? She is washing clothes. What is she doing? She is folding the clothes.